Hey everyone, on this video I'm going to show you this really quick little shelving system for minifigures that I did while we're in here. Brent's doing his thing and David down there on the building his own little mock set. But I just built these 3 levels of shelves because you see on the table here this unbelievable mess of just stuff, and of course behind me is the Lego table. Up here is a bunch of shelves with a bunch of sets, and there's a bunch of sets in Brent's bedroom and some other places in the house actually. So here's how this worked. I'm just going to tell you real quickly that I went and bought this. It's actually not even real wood. It's kind of a composite material, and so it's when you cut it, it stays white on the edge and it doesn't rot like wood. It's pretty cheap. I can't remember the prices, but I bought they're really long. I bought them at Lowe's. You can buy them at Home Depot, I'm sure, too, or any hardware store. And so I just cut them to size to go fit in between the brackets, and just used a screw and screwed them right into the drywall. And you can see it's a little more flexible than normal wood. That's one maybe slight downside, which is you need a screw in the middle. And of course, the screws are black. So I painted on the screw head there white. It's just chalk white. It's not perfect, but it blends in a lot better than what it looked like before. So one of the reasons we did this also, besides just getting it off this cluttered table, you see we got to do a lot more, is so we could see our minifigures. And this is not even close to how many we have. We have so many more, so I could do many more of these drawers or shelves. I could do more up there. But they're just perfect. It's just skinny little things, perfect for putting the minifigures. And now we can see the collection a little bit better. When we want to do a stop motion animation and figure out which figures we want, we could just quickly look and grab them. And we haven't filled it up, as you can see, and we have a lot more than we could fit in these 3 little shelves. So we're gonna have to figure something out. Anyone have any ideas? They can leave a comment down below on how to get better organized, because this is becoming ridiculous here. But this is one step in the right direction, these 3 shelves. So what do you think about those? Is that something you could do? You could put, if you have like a room, like your bedroom, this would be a great way to display minifigures in your bedroom. I've seen some videos where people built like boxes, like framed for minifigures, but this gives you so much more room, and you could just do this long line. It kind of blends in with the white wall in this case. You could paint it any color and blend in with your room, your whatever it is that your video studio, if you have one like we do, or if you in fact have just a bedroom or a playroom, it'd be a great thing to do. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do you like what we did? Do you like the setup? And do you have any ideas of your own? That would be helpful for us as we continue to try to get better organized with our Lego collection.
Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.